I just wish Billy was here to man the hotline. He always knew exactly what to say.
Yeah, well, I guess it's easier handling strangers than your own parents. You know, the way they made him quit, it was like he was totally wasting his time helping other people.
Yeah, it's weird. His parents want him to go to parties and country club stuff. My parents want me to do anything but what they were doing today.
Where are they?
Oh, they're at my grandfather's wedding.
Your grandfather's getting married, you're not even there?
Well, you know, the real shocker is my parents are there. I'd be surprised if anyone showed up. Now, Grandpa's done some really crazy things in his time, but this is ridiculous.
Take a hot bath or something. All right?
Are you sure we're going to need all these chairs?
Well, Andrew did say to expect a large crowd, and, well,
We're
a
expecting
large crowd.
Looks like you guys could use some help.
Billy!
Hey, man. What's up?
Wait a minute, we thought that your parents said that you couldn't...
No, everything's cool. Once they stopped yelling, I got them to see that working here this summer could really be good for me. And I also told them it would look really good in a college application, and that won them over.
Well, you don't have to scream at me. I didn't do anything. If this is the way you treat people who are trying to help you, no wonder you've got problems.
Now, you're sure this is all right?
Yeah, we don't want to get you in any trouble.
You know, your parents made it pretty clear they don't want you here.
Look, guys, I told you everything's okay. Now let's just get to work, all right?
What do you mean? How many?
I don't...
I'm not kidding around here. How many pills did you take? Oh, my God. Where's Andrew?
He's not here.
He's got to be here. Find him. I've got to...
He's not here. Well, just keep her talking.
I don't know what to say to her. I think she's taking a ton of pills.
Marty, calm down and
No, I don't know what to say. I think she's really trying to kill herself. Hey, no, hold on. Don't hang up, okay?
Marty, calm down and give me the phone.
Why not? We gotta call somebody. We've got to do something. I don't know. The police department, the fire
Marty,
department.
give me the phone now. Hello? Hi, my name's Billy. I'm really glad you called. That tells me a lot about you. Can you tell me your name? Jenny. That's a really nice name. What grade are you in, Jenny? Really? So you called because you're having problems? You want to talk about them? Okay. Well, you remind me of my friend Angela. She goes to South Central High. No, I go to West Lambview. And you? Shipton's private school, huh? Then you've got to know Shelley King. She lives right on Crescent Heights. Oh, you don't? Where do you live? Rockford Terrace. Oh. Oh, that's a beautiful street. Lots of pretty houses. Uh-huh. Really?
Yeah. I'm calling from the community center. From the teen hotline. We have a suicide attempt on Rockford Terrace. The exact address.
Oh, well, I think I know your house. It's the white one on the corner, isn't it? Oh, no, the one right next to it, the yellow one. With the balcony, right.
Okay, it's the second door in from the corner. It's yellow with a big balcony. Listen, you gotta hurry. We don't know how many pills she's taken.
That's a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
You know we've been talking all this time, Jenny, and I still don't even know your last name. Armstrong. Jennifer Armstrong. I like that name. Yeah. Wait a minute. You play tennis for the Lambview Country Club, don't you? Yeah, because I saw your name on a tournament list. Wow. Stay with me, Jenny. I need a good tennis coach.
That's right. Just keep her talking.
You're doing a good job, Billy. Come on.
Yeah. Once in a while. Keep talking to me, Jenny. Come on. Don't fade out of me. Just keep talking, all right?
All right, guys. Good night.
So, what's your secret?
What?
Come on. You handled that suicide call perfectly. You must have done this before.
No way, man. I just listened to my gut and went with it.
That's it?
Joey, haven't you ever felt all alone? Like everyone was against you and everything you did was wrong?
Well, yeah, sure. But
Well, that's how our caller felt. But only about 1,000 times worse. She thought nobody cared and nobody understood. I just related to that. I understood.
Come on. You alone? Billy, you're the most popular guy I've met in my entire life. Give me a break.
Well, you know what they say. It's lonely at the top.
The right thing.